Well, a popular pancake spot is cooking up some spooky specials.
That's right, we're talking about M.A.C 24/7. They've got some scary deals they're treating you to, so you don't want to go away. You'll catch it right here on our morning Yelp. We'll be right back. Guess what, you guys? It is time for our morning Yelp, and we are getting very festive this morning. Everything pumpkin in this area. We're talking with M.A.C 24/7. They're known for their pancakes. We've got Mark, we've got Chef Chris right in the middle. We've got our lovely Emmy Hart, and this is the M.A.C Daddy Bones. I want to introduce him because we can't forget M.A.C Daddy Bones.
My new boyfriend.
Emmy's new boyfriend. So, by the way, thanks so much for coming in this morning. We are getting ready for Halloween. Everything's kind of turning into pumpkin spice, pumpkin flavored everything. We got pumpkin flavoring toppings for our beautiful short stack, which is short, but it's still fairly big. Mark, can you kind of talk us through what you guys are bringing in this morning?
Absolutely. So thank you for having us. We're diving in to fall flavors full force at M.A.C 24/7. So this is our seasonal short stack for October. So it's going to be available through October 31st. It's our pumpkin spice pancakes.
Oh, I love it already.
Yeah. So we've got 2 of our famous buttermilk pancakes. We're going to top it off with pumpkin puree, pumpkin spice whipped cream, and then some chantilly.
Wipe the drool, Emmy. Wipe the drool.
And then our cinnamon streusel, vanilla creme anglaise, and then some Halloween sprinkles, because why not?
Why not?
Yeah,
okay, wait.
exactly.
So, Chef Chris, could you demo what you're doing this morning? Because the pancake itself, that's not pumpkin. We keep that the same, right?
Right. We don't like to mess with our original recipe of our pancakes that we're known for. So everything's the toppings. It's all about the toppings. So we're going to start with our creme anglaise that we make.
Nice. You guys make it in-house?
We do. Make it in-house, yeah.
Beautiful.
So we're going to put a nice little...
Oh my gosh.
This is how they do it, guys. This is how you're supposed to do it right.
Nice little puddle here.
Oh, boy.
Clearly.
Thank you. Okay, so what do you have right there?
All right, this is a pumpkin pie filling.
Okay.
Okay?
Oh my gosh.
So what we're going to do is we're just going to go like this.
Uh-huh, nice lines. Very intricate for a nice design on your pancake. That's typically what you would find in a pumpkin pie, right? Just
yeah, yeah, absolutely. A pumpkin pie filling.
Okay.
Yeah,
all right,
absolutely.
cool. But we're not done.
Oh no, of course not. So what we're gonna do, actually, we're gonna do our homemade streusel that we make.
We're adding the crust.
No way.
Wow, beautiful.
This is gonna go around like this.
Hey, so Mark, so while Chris is doing this, when does this start?
So this starts October 2nd and goes through the 31st.
Nice.
And if it's super popular, we'll see if we extend it or not.
Oh, I think so. You can extend it into November.
Because we do something special every month.
Okay.
Our seasonal short stack does change, you know, pretty consistently. We try to go with whatever the flavors are, you know, for the time.
Yeah, seasonal,
what's in season, and it's pumpkin spice season here.
This is beautiful. Okay, Chef, you got one more thing that you're topping it off with.
So this is our pumpkin spiced chantilly cream.
Ooh, baby.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start here.
Right in the middle.
Right in the middle.
Completely ridiculous.
That's how we do things at M.A.C 24/7.
Can people get this in the M.A.C Daddy style?
Usually we don't do the seasonal short stack for M.A.C Daddy style. You know, we do have the M.A.C Daddy pancakes, as you know, is our pancake challenge that we do at the restaurant. So we have 7 different toppings available for that, and you got to eat 5 pounds of them in 90 minutes.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
So Emmy, they're doing really well on Yelp.
Yeah,
too, right?
so they're 3.5 stars, over 1,500 reviews, which is a crazy ton of reviews. And we're going to share this special tip. If you check in on your Yelp mobile app, you get 50% off a dessert.
Bingo, right here.
Yeah.
Here we are. So this is our pina colada creme brulee. It's one of our most popular desserts now at the restaurant. So inside of there, you'll find caramelized pineapple, vanilla custard, as well as halpia.
Halpia, oh my goodness. Okay, and to wrap everything up, you guys, now if you guys don't know where MAC 24/7 is, shame on you, but Mark's going to tell us where and how, on your hours of operation.
Oh, absolutely. So the name says it all. MAC 24/7 is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We have the full menu, breakfast, lunch, and dinner available at all times. We're located inside the Hilton Waikiki Beach Hotel on 2500 Kuhio Avenue.
Oh my goodness, you heard that, 2400 Kuhio Avenue. I'm just going to eat this right now. He needs to eat this. All right, you guys are watching Good Morning Hawaii. We'll be right back after we eat this.